So, oftentimes, I realize when I go in a bar and certain places, I only see a little sign put up. I say, it is my intention to sell rum, ray, and distill spirit, ray, at the next license session, ray. Some stuff like that. Only for you people go places like bars, go bars, not places, go bars, and see people have up these signs. So, only the other day, I get to learn say that is not really a license. That is just a little notice for say them intend on getting the license. But some of them only put that liquor sign there, put up that liquor sign there, Them not have no intention for getting a license. So I don't really know if you guys don't know the procedures or what it is, why, or if you're not interested to pay the money or whatever. But to everything, there is a penalty when you don't comply. You understand what I say? Yes, so I just do a little research and get some information together and let you guys know how the process go. You understand? So you can go apply for a thing and up on a game. You understand what I say? Yeah, and nobody get charged, people. Yeah, so have a look at video. Just spray it out and see what I go on. Hope you like it. Hope it is of much help to some of you guys. Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. The Jamaican Guide here. Let me just say a very Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and Merry Christmas to all the viewers. This video is published on Christmas Day, so if you are watching after Christmas, big up yourself same way. Okay, let's get to the business at hand. In order to sell alcohol in a nightclub, restaurant, and so forth, you must first acquire a valid license in compliance with the Spirit License Act. Now, there are different types of spirit license, such as a hotel license, a wholesale license, a club license, a tavern license, a town retail license, and an occasional special license. You must first identify the type of license you need for your business. The reference to the Spirit License Act will help you to determine this. So after you figure out the type of license you need, here is what you are gonna do. Visit the resident magistrate court in your parish to make an application to the clerk of court. You will also need to submit a copy of this application to the superintendent of police in your area. Your written application should state a full description of the premises, whether you have ever held a license, the nature of your license applied for, whether the premises have been licensed for the 12 months preceding the application, whether you have been convicted of any offenses against the act in the last 5 years, whether you are able to read and write English and keep accounts books in English. Okay, here we go. So you would need to apply to the public health department, then pay the license fee and stamp fee and the license at the Inland Revenue Department, which is the tax office. Then you send in your documents and wait on the court date for the hearing. All persons applying must be aware of the court date for the hearing and deadlines for the submission of the application. The application submission must be made at least 21 days before one of the fixed dates for the application hearing. And you must visit the court session to be granted the license if successful in the application. You will be contacted by the clerk within approximately 14 days from the date of the granting of the license. And on presentation of the receipt from the collector of taxes, the license may be refused by the license authority if the premises is deemed unfit or are situated that it cannot be kept under the control of the police. Also, if the applicant is not of a good character or has allowed his premises to become a nuisance, a license may also be refused. Okay, so I really hope this video was some kind of help to some of you guys. So until next time, stay safe, people.
So just eggs are. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.